Today, I'll be unboxing two new analog kendamas from their recent drop. I've been really enjoying playing with their kendamas recently, and so when they released these new kendamas, I knew I had to get some for myself. So I got the package right here. Analog kendamas, as you can see. And without further ado, let's get started. So you can probably already tell by the title of this video which ones I got, but you can see for yourself. Okay, packaging, one kendama, and the second one, string, that's it. Okay, so which one should I open first? Let's start with the one that is not as new. It's been released before, but they brought it back because it was really popular. And the grain on this is just insane. This is the Hashbrown 2020 Squab. And the grain on this is crazy. Hickory and ash, a full hickory and ash kendama. The tama is a split between hickory and ash. And the ken is hickory, with a nice vertical grain, as you can tell. Man, that grain is nice. Smells like hickory too. But yeah, really sick kendama. Should be like a super long string. It almost looks like 10 fingers. And a nice bright red string. I'll see if I want to keep this or use another string. Yeah, it has the dual burn lines on the tama. Nice big bevel. Man, the grain on that tama is crazy. Then there should be a bearing bead. And for the ken, nice grain with the logo. Then it has the portal bounce hole on the bottom of the base cup. This is only a test. It's not really a test, but I like how they have that writing. And this is a pretty heavy kendama too, because it's hickory and ash. Let me get my weight. Okay. Let's turn it on. Let's do ken first. 98.2 for the ken. For the tama, 85.6. So overall a really heavy kendama, but that's what you get with these heavier woods like hickory. Okay, let's put this aside and let's open the newly released kendama. This one. Wow. This is the Skinless Daydream. So as you can tell, they call it skinless because this is a full natty. There's no paint on the Daydream. Interesting name to call it skinless, but really nice kendama. Really love the natty look to it. And so, for the specifications, if I can even take this out. Oh, okay, there we go. So, a maple ken, ash tama. Also has the portal balance hole like usual. Got the nice Daydream design on the tama. red string, bearing bead of course, the usuals. Solid maple kin like I mentioned. Gonna be great for taps and spike tricks. Man, look at the grain on this. It's crazy. The grain on both of these kendamas is amazing. Definitely did not disappoint. Man, super excited to play these and get some tricks on these natties. It's always nice to have a good natty to play with. Just feels really good to get those spike tricks in, especially. Yeah, so got the Skinless Daydream. Oh, let me weigh this too. This should definitely be lighter than the Hashbrown. It's Ken first. 82.8. And for the Tama, 70.7. So yeah, much lighter. Okay, yeah, so oh, is there anything in the bag? Nope. On the bag. Forgot to show you guys, it says thank you in different languages with the analog logo in the center. There we go. Yeah, so we got these two new kendamas. Really nice natties and with amazing grain. Super excited to play. Hopefully you guys pick some of these up because you do not want to sleep on these. Yeah, so that does it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of these two new analog kendamas. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, make sure to follow my Instagram. I will try to post more tricks on that, especially with these two new kendamas. Get some nice tricks on these. But yeah, that does it for the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.